Alright guys, in Pullman, if you're going to be walking the trails today, be very careful of falling tree limbs. This one fell right as I was walking up, and there's really gusty winds going on right now, so maybe wait till evening till this stuff calms down a little bit, and then take advantage of the trails. But we got a 2 to 3 inch diameter tree limb down here. Yeah, it broke. Would have hit me if I was any further up. Came off this willow tree here somewhere. So just be careful, heads up.